Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube Kids on Smart TV. And in today's video, I will show you on how to create YouTube Kid profile on your Smart TV. Let me show you how. So the very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and go to the home screen on our TV right here. So what you want to do right here from the home screen on your Smart TV, what you want to do is to go to the home screen, then go ahead and navigate to the YouTube app right here. Go ahead and click. Then have you click on YouTube app, it takes you to YouTube normal page. What you want to do is to navigate to the top right here on your profile name. Click on OK. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go to the sidebar. Continue until you get to YouTube Kids right here. Go ahead and click on OK, and you are here. On getting here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you scan this particular QR code. You can use either your smartphone or iPhone or iPad or what have you. You can use it to scan this particular QR code and get full access into YouTube Kid profile. And for that, I'm going to use Android device right here. So this particular phone right here, I'm going to use it to scan this QR code. First thing for, we need to make sure we go ahead and open up our Chrome browser. So I'm going to open up a Chrome browser. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up Chrome browser. Then having opened up a Chrome browser, I'll click on this plus sign to create a new tab. Then having created a new tab, next thing I'm going to do is to click on this camera icon or Google Lens. So when you click on Google Lens, this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on Open Camera. So once you click on Open Camera, position it to scan this QR code right here. So it has recognized a link. Click on that and allow the link to load up. And it's going to reconnect you to YouTube right here. So allow everything to load up, successfully load. So if the code here is correspond with what you have on TV, go ahead and click on continue on your phone. Then what you need to do right here is to choose an account that you want to use. So I'm going to select this particular Google account. Then get your parent. Go ahead and click on next. Then select your parents. If you do not have a parent account, go ahead and create an operator account. So once you select a parent account, you'll be asked to enter the parental account password. So I'll go ahead and enter the password right here. Having entered the password, I'll click on next. Parental approval. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on allow. Then here you go. Parental consent. Scroll down right here. Scroll down right here and click on next. So go ahead and choose your passkey. Then here, you need to enter your kid's first name. Go ahead and enter their name. So I'm going to enter my kid's name right here. Then enter their age. So I'm going to enter age 9. Then date of birth. This is optional. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next right here. Then here, you have choose a consent setting for your child. Preschool, younger, or older. So you can choose any of the options right here. So I'm choosing older. Then I will go ahead and click on select. Allow your child to search for video. So go ahead and click on search on. Then here you go. Stay up to date. Click on here to check and click on next. You are all set. Go ahead and click on done. So here you go. Now you have children profile we are added, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the kid profile right here. Having selected the kid profile, remember the name of the kids you enter. Go ahead and click on OK. You can see this are kid's profile right here, successfully installed on your smart TV. Everything you see right here are kiddies content. they can search, and then you can swipe this way and explore different types of kids content right here on your smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.